Good afternoon, all founders. Welcome to joining us today. I'm so happy to have a chance to kickstart my first lecture. Today we are going to cover a couple important concepts to evaluate your business and get ready for fundraising. And my name is Alan Lam, and Managing Partner and CTO of Gravity Capital Partners. The second section I would like to share with you is about the business cycle, okay? So this is more, theory, but actually this is very important, okay? When we define a business cycle, there are multiple phases, okay? First is when your company already passed these 3 points, and we will try to look at the business performance. And then your company is already, obtain all the investment back and come to so-called real business stage or real business life. And then your company will go through the ups and downs based on the economy, environment, influence, okay? And for sure, after the growing stage or mature stage, you would like to invest more, gain more business, so that will be the expansion, okay? That moment is more easy, okay? Because your company probably is the first mover, your company has less, just accepted by the market. For initial stage, people get more interested in your product or services. So you will be more easy to expand your business. But for sure, you will hit the maximum point, okay? You will hit the peak, okay? Normally, people will drive the business by second version of the product or new service, new features, whatever, to drive the growth. But for sure, you will hit the maximum point, okay? And when your company in sync with the economy situation, like now, for the global economy going downside, okay? And then you have the recession, you currently, I don't know, right now in the financial sector is depression. Many investors burning out their money due to the crisis of the cryptocurrency or many accident or many effect by the interest rate increase, things like that, okay? So nobody know when will be the minimum point, okay? But we believe the minimum point will pass in one day, okay? Then it will come back to the recovery stage, and after your company recover, and then you will think about expansion, okay? And this is the complete cycle, okay? So right now, we are more in the depression stage or recession stage, okay? What is the good timing for you to do fundraising? You tell me. We consider the global economy trend and also your company cycle. You tell me. Which period you think that you can get investment easily? Any people? Yes? Expansion, okay. And what about you? Recovery, okay. Recovery or expansion. And what about you? Okay, expansion, okay. I agree and not agree. It depends on which angle, for your angle, okay, the peak period will give you the maximum return or maximum power, maximum resources, okay? So, but you don't want to tell lie, okay? Nobody know this is the peak, okay? So that's why what all of you said is right. Going up, okay? Going up is the suitable time for you to do fundraising, okay? Going down, everybody become conservative, hesitation, okay? So it's difficult. So you need to ask yourself, ask your company, for the global economy situation, okay, currently is downside. Everybody think that this is not a good time for fundraising. Again, yes or no? If the global economy going downside and your company performance going upside, what is the result? Okay, look at that. Okay, I think the reason why this year, 11 months, I confirmed 12 projects, because good timing. If the investors see so many deals in the upside, how to differentiate is very difficult. It's a hesitation. So this also said he is the best. That one also said he is the best. Then who is the real best? Okay? But you know, in this year, suddenly a lot of VC don't invest aggressively, so that the competition is less, okay, in the investor point of view. So, but for in the market, the project also reduce a lot, okay, because a lot of deal you don't need to see, okay. Then for an investor point of view, if the investor has money, this is a good time for them to find right project, okay. So you need to ask yourself, are you the right project? When you prepare the fundraising, you need to show off your company. Now this is the right time. We are the right project, okay? So there are two business cycles, okay? So a lot of people just think about globally. Then they have the buying point, okay? A lot of people also think oppositely, only focus on their project, okay? Then lack of the review of the overall economy situation. So this is not good. So what I would like to tell you is evaluate for both, okay? Then you will know about your competitiveness, and then you will increase your chance to get invested, okay? So below is the definition. I don't go through it. Anyway, you will have my slide through Science Park or CityU. And then, but I would like to, besides the notes I will give you everything. But the story behind the notes, I will tell you in my lecture, okay? So you know that is very important, okay? So going back to that point. If you were an investor, I just asked some of you, okay, which phase do you want to invest? So my sharing is that, okay, I define this year is the downside, okay? It's the downside so that you will see which investor has money. If the investor has money, they will have the deal flow, okay? For the past year, if they don't have deal flow, you don't need to see them because they don't have money. Save your time, okay? You don't need to, push them, okay? I feel very interesting because when there is some entrepreneurship day or a lot of investor forum, and many startup founders go to exchange name card, and that is good. You need to do that. But they try to push very hard to follow up and grab all the chance for meeting. And actually, I think this motivation is good, but I would like to suggest you to do one more thing. Check the investor. In the past 1 year, did they invest project? How many? Okay? So if they don't invest too much, especially when you meet them, you will feel, do they want to have projects? If you change the name card, you talk to them, and you feel that they are not too aggressive, meaning that they don't have plan. Okay? Last year, no investment. This year, when you see him or see her, seems not too aggressive, meaning that they are not ready. Save your time, okay? So the reason why I tell you this, nobody tell you like that, okay? Because I have a philosophy, founder first, okay? I want to save your time. So, and also, when you identify some investor, wow, they aggressively invest double-digit of project, and then you can review or you talk to the investee, okay, to see this investor style, okay, or preference. So when the economy going down, and immediately you will filter some VC or investor and remain some potential investor, you can focus more time on them, okay? You should focus more time on them. Then how to do? Check their portfolio, check their style, Google them, okay? And then ask the investee, you may know them, or inside the Science Park or inside the, CityU Hong Kong Tech 300 Circle, talk to them and understand the investor, okay? And then don't make one single slide or single deck for all investor. Otherwise, you waste a chance, not waste your time, okay? Waste the chance and then waste your time, this is not a wise decision, okay? So try to do some homework, understand the potential target first, okay? So in parallel, you need to prepare yourself. If the economy going downside, your company also going downside, you know you are difficult. Focus on business, not fundraising. Because less number of investor and less chance to get success, why don't you bother that? Okay? Later on, I will tell you another way to get resources instead of investment, okay? Later on, I will tell you more, okay? So, try to get resources from other channel, not investor, because they need to come, okay? All right? If you evaluate the economy going downside, but your business is going up, that means you have advantage. You need to do fundraising aggressively. Find the right investor, okay? You know they have money, you know they will do investment. You have the advantage, why don't you close the deal, okay? So this is important, okay? So this is the reason why I want to share with you about business cycle. Many people ignore that, okay? Here is my name card. I will not stop this screen, and you guys please feel free to take. And this is my personal mobile, okay? And people send me an email. Frankly, I will not check. I have admin office to check, handle all my meeting schedule, all the email they will read. But this number, this WhatsApp is the only thing I will handle in person. Okay, I give you my best communication channel. So that's the end of today. And I hope you guys enjoy, and please feel free to mingle. Thank you. Thank you.